Today we're heading up to Orange County. Pretty special day today for Uppercut Deluxe. We're putting up our first billboard. The creative around this billboard, Brandon Burley and Scotty Stopnick, wall ride in the river.
It was Scotty's idea. Scotty had this concept of pulling me in on his Harley while he's up on the bank and I'm up on the wall.
I remember seeing the screen grab from the day that Stone sent through. And I remember thinking, this is way bigger than just an Instagram piece. I've always loved the romance of a billboard. It's definitely old school marketing. In a time where everyone's fighting for attention online, I just feel like there's always a place for billboards. So we'll see, I suppose. This is a pretty special place for me because it's the home of Pig Barber. Pig Barber was the first ever stockist here in America. He was actually the first ever ambassador for the brand as well, Uppercut Deluxe. So I think still to this day, he's got one of the coolest shops ever. It's in an old garage. He parks his truck in there. He's got his surfboards there. It's just a reflection of who he is. We thought it was fitting to do the billboard in their backyard, Scotty's backyard and Pig Barber's backyard. So special shout out to Tim Aguilar. I mean, that still, that photo, I mean, that's going to be iconic for our brand for many years to come. So I'm super stoked. Thanks, mate. This looks so badass. Nice work, Marky. They did it. Looks good, boys.